Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IoT Frontier. As a part of Azure IoT series, in the previous video we have learned how to export data from IoT Central to Blob storage using connection strings. In this video, we will not use connection string since it is not a safer and recommended approach. So I'll use managed identity method to authenticate Blob storage with IoT Central. So as usual, I have connected my mobile phone as an IoT device and I can see the data coming over here. So now I'll go to data export and try to create an export. So before creating an export, I need to create a destination. So first I need to create a destination. I'll give a destination as blob storage. And here I'll select the blob storage destination type and I'll use system assigned managed identity. So first we need to create a blob storage. So that I have already created in our previous video. So in the Azure IoT Central, first we need to create the managed identity. So click on identity in the IoT Central application and make its status as on and save it. So after some time I can see the object ID is created. I'll just copy this and I'll go back to my home and search for storage account. So inside storage account, I need to go to the access control and grant access to this resource. So add role assignment. So we need to search for storage blob data contributor. So click on next. Under the managed identity, select the member and you should be able to search for IoT Central application and it has only one. So I can use that and click on select and click on review and assign. Now the role assignment is done. Once this is done, click on containers, create a new container. So I'm giving IoTF container and create. Now click on the container that you have created and go to properties. So you can see the URL. You can copy until the .NET and this is the endpoint URL and that has to be provided here. So because we have selected system assigned managed identity, you need to provide the URL and the container name that we have created right now. So that has to be provided here and create. Now we need to complete the remaining steps. That is what is the export name. I can give to blob and I'll select telemetry here and remaining everything will be same and I can click on save. So I can click on data export and I can see it has not started, but it will take within few seconds we can see that should be started. Now when I come to the devices, my smartphone is trying to send the data right now. We can even see in the raw data, the current time should be there. And when I go back to the data export, it should show as healthy. Okay, so now it is healthy. We can go back to our container, go to the overview and refresh. So within few seconds we should see our container should be created here. Now when I refresh, so I was able to see a folder created. When we get inside, we should be able to see the date, year, month and etc. And when you go inside, you will be able to see a blob. And if you click on edit, you should be able to see the data that was being sent. You can see the battery 57% and that even comparison, if you go to your device, you should see 56% and here also you can see all the remaining like altitude, latitude, all those things are provided. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.